Most car dealers think they need more inventory in order to make more money. They only need 3 secrets that smart car dealers use to be able to make more money, especially in this economy. But stay tuned. Number 3 secret will blow your mind. Have you ever wondered why some car dealership, their price is so high? It's above the market value of each vehicle, but they still sell vehicle fast. Now, I'm going to lay out those secrets that they use in order to be profitable. Secret number 1, stop being a car salesman. Become a problem solver. You see, most dealers think of their self-care instead of the customer's care. They focus on their profit instead of the customer's benefit. Let me tell you something. Every customer that came to your office, they came because they have a challenge that they're going through. They have a problem that they are facing, and they need a dealer that can listen to their problems and get a solution for them. Some customers came to your office because they need solution to get a car that is reliable. Some of them came to your office because they need solution regarding fuel economy. They need a car that has a great fuel economy. Some of them came to your office because they need a car that is comfortable for the entire family. And some of them came to your office because they need to change their status. So it's your job as a car dealer to listen to their problem and create a solution to that problem. Secret number 2, customers buy emotionally, then justify it logically. This secret, this one, can transform your dealership and make you a lot of money. Customers do not buy from you because your price is cheapest. They buy from you because they like and trust you. Like and trust is very important. And when we're talking about like and trust, customers can feel your energy. Your energy has to be an energy of someone that wants to be friendly. They're looking at your attitude. If you give customers a nonchalant attitude, you're gonna lose that deal and they're gonna walk away, and be careful, they're gonna give you a bad review. Secret number 3, make the customer win all the time. Make them feel like they are winners. Weak car dealers think that they are in boxing ring with the customer. They want to knock the customer out. During a transaction, a customer might be like, can you do anything about the price? And sometimes some dealers might be thinking in their head, you came to my office. If my price was not right, why are you here? That kind of attitude, the customer can feel it. The goal is not to win against the customer. The goal is to make the customer feel like they're a winner while you are making profit. You might ask me, Ifani, but what do I do when my margin is so thin? There's no way to cut anything. But listen to me. You are totally right. I get you. I've been there. I understand. When the margin is so thin, you feel like, what else do you want me to cut? But there's a catch on this. There's a catch for this, because you need to keep the customer. Customer acquisition is too great. You know how much it's gonna cost someone to advertise before you get a customer to your office. So what I'm suggesting is this. There are so many ways you can make this work. Offer the customers things that will not break your bank. Offer them things like filling the tank of the car. Offer them something like free oil change for the next month. Offer them things like free delivery to the home. This little win, customer remember. And when the customer remember, if they feel good, now giving you a chain of all their referrals is gonna be easy. Good review will come easy. Overall, if you're a car dealer who wants to stay in this business and continue to dominate, remember this: customers do not come to you and buy because your price is cheapest. Customers buy because the way you make them feel. They buy because you solve their problem. They buy because you make them win. And what I mean by you make them win doesn't mean that you are at a loss. You make them feel like the queens and kings they are. And when you make them feel they won by giving them all these incentives that I mentioned earlier, my friend, you are in the business. And they're gonna walk away feeling good. And they're gonna recommend their co-worker, they're gonna recommend their cousins, they're gonna recommend their friends, and you have customers for a lifetime. Having customers for a lifetime is so sweet. So you can continue to buy smart, sell fast, and make more money.